The Black Knight satellite, a name whispered in the realms of science fiction, conspiracy, and the search for extraterrestrial life. Is it an ancient alien artifact watching us from a strange polar orbit, or just misidentified space debris, fueling decades of speculation? Some claim it's been circling our planet for 13,000 years, long before humanity launched its first rocket, an artifact of a lost civilization or a sentinel left by visitors. The story of the Black Knight satellite begins not with modern images from space, but with one of the pioneers of electrical engineering, Nikola Tesla. In 1899, while conducting experiments in his Colorado Springs laboratory, he claimed to have received unexplained radio signals. He described them as regular and intelligent, unlike any known natural phenomenon. Believing the signals had extraterrestrial origins, Tesla became convinced he had intercepted a transmission from beings beyond Earth. But Tesla's experiment was not the last strange encounter. Fast forward to the 1920s and 30s, when amateur radio operators began reporting mysterious signals unlike anything they'd encountered before. These signals were later dubbed long-delay echoes, seemingly repeating seconds or minutes after the initial transmission. While science proposed reflections from icy layers in space, UFO enthusiasts linked them to the Black Knight, theorizing it was an ancient alien device transmitting back to Earth. The intrigue intensified mid-century. In 1960, the U.S. Navy stumbled upon a dark, tumbling object in polar orbit. But perhaps the most famous chapter involves NASA's 1998 STS-88 mission aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour. During this mission, astronauts captured photographs of a curious angular object floating nearby. The images ignited a storm of speculation. Was this the Black Knight satellite, finally caught on camera? Its irregular, almost sculptural form looked unnatural. According to NASA, however, the object was nothing more than a thermal blanket, accidentally released during construction activities. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Skepticism rests on scientific reasoning. Could an object truly survive 13,000 years in orbit without decaying or being destroyed by impacts? No physical evidence has ever been recovered. Every purported sighting has a more mundane explanation: space debris, a satellite part, natural phenomena misidentified. Yet even with these counterpoints, the fascination persists. Why? Perhaps it's the allure of the unknown, amplified in the internet age, tapping into our deep-seated desire to believe we are not alone. The Black Knight satellite endures, a spectral presence, a symbol of our search for answers about our place in the cosmos. Real or legend, it reminds us that in the infinite expanse, so much is yet to be discovered. The mystery lives on.